Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to disable safe mode on any Poco phone. Now, if your smartphone is on safe mode and if you want to disable safe mode, just restart your smartphone by pressing and holding on the power button until this option appears. Now from here, swipe down and select reboot. Now it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone, and once your smartphone finishes rebooting, it will disable safe mode. Now it will take a few seconds to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, just open your smartphone. Now as you can see, the safe mode icon has disappeared and we have successfully disabled safe mode. And this is how you can disable safe mode on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.